morning everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Right, I went to Iceland and I found some new products, so come on over and have a look what we've got. I found these products. This one is meant to be new. I don't know whether it is or not, but it is in our Iceland, and I paid £3.75 for 6 all butter croissants, and these were half price at £2. Normally they're £4. Right, I think that's a bit expensive because I don't know whether you're just paying for the name or what. So we're going to get them open and we're going to have a look. So like I said, these are new in our Iceland. I don't know if they are by you. So it says bring Pret joy to your home. 6 all butter croissants, our favourite classic, light and fabulous and fabulously flaky, ready to bake. So here's the information on the back, because I know some people like to have a read. So that's that one. And then these are 2 ham and cheese croissants, the snacker's favourite, with ham and melted cheese, ready to bake. And again, here's all your information on the back. I'm going to be cooking mine in the air fryer, so that would be about 20 minutes. It says 25 minutes, but it'll be about 20 minutes in the air fryer. So let's get one open and we'll have a look. We'll open the croissants first. The scissors work. And that's what they look like inside. They're a bit small, aren't they? So that's that one. And then we'll get these ones opened. And you only get 2 in here. Ooh. More fingers and thumbs, and they come like that. So I'm going to put both of these cheese and ham croissants in, because one of the lads is having one. And that's what they look like. So I'm going to get them in the air fryer and I'll bring you all back in about 20 minutes. Right, here they are. This took about 20 minutes and I had to cook this a bit longer. I cooked it for about 28 minutes, something like that. With the croissant, I turned them over in the air fryer and I crisped the bottom up, but they've come out lovely and puffy. This, I've noticed, is a bit greasy, so we're gonna have a taste test. So let's get tucked in. So I'm using Keith's camera and I cannot use it for the life of me. So we're going to try the croissant first. I'm going to try it on its own, then I'm going to try it with some butter and some jam. So let's see if we hear that nice crisp. Oh yes, I love a crispy croissant. It's quite stodgy in the middle. That's what it looks like in the middle. I've let them cool down for a bit as well because they were roasting. Right, I'm going to try the croissant on its own as it is, because it says it's a buttery croissant, so we'll see if it's nice and buttery. That's quite nice, but let me have a drink, my mouth's all dry. My honest opinion is it's really stodgy in the middle. Like really like, yeah, stodgy. I'll just say stodgy. Buttery, yeah, I can taste a bit of butter, but not a lot. So I'm going to put a bit of butter on now and a bit of jam. So I'm just going to put a bit of normal butter on. Then we'll get a bit of jam, because everybody likes different stuff with their croissants, don't they? So I'm going to have butter and jam, see if it pimps it up a little bit, as they say. Right, let's have a taste. Jam and butter. And that's a bit better. It takes it to the next level. It's a nice croissant, but I'm just not too keen on the middle bit. But I've heard that people have been going mad over these Pret croissants. But I've had a lot better and a lot cheaper. So that's that one. I'm going to have a swill of my mouth and we'll get on to the ham and cheese. What was it? Ham and cheese croissant. It's supposed to have bacon lardons in it as well. So we'll cut this in half and see if we can hear the crisp. A little bit. Right. Oh. Can you see the middle? Let's see if we've got a cheese pull. Yeah. Right, let's try it. Oh, it's hot. It's got some nice flavours. I can taste the smoky bacon lardons and the tomato, but it's very greasy, very greasy. And £4 for two. Well, there would be £4, but I got them for £2. I think it's a little bit expensive. I'd want a few more in there for the £4 full price. Let's try some of the pastry. Even then, I cooked it a few minutes longer, but that was because it still looked really stodgy, and the grease, there was loads of grease on it, but it's very greasy. Even now, it's greasy. I don't hate it, but it's not something I'd go to. One, because of the price, and two, I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. But I'd rather be honest and truthful with you. I'm going to have another try, because sometimes you have to have a few bites, don't you? It's got a nice chunk of bacon and ham in there, but it's just the greasy and that tomato flavour, it puts me off. I don't think them Prets, whatever you call it, I don't think they're worth all the hype. I really don't. No, I don't think they're worth the hype. The croissants, I like the croissant. It's just a bit stodgy, and I've had cheaper and better. I've found cheaper brands a lot better. So that's my honest opinion, I think, for today's review. And some of you might think it's really nice, and others might not like it, but it's not for me. So I'd rather be honest and truthful. So there we go. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you all later. And I don't think they're worth the hype or the money. Bye. Right, I know I've just finished my video, but I've just gave Keith the other half of the ham and cheese croissant, and even he says it's not very nice. And do you know what it was reminded me of? It's not till I walked in there that I thought, what does that taste like? You know them really small mini pizzas you get, the cheese ones with the tomato on? It reminds me of them. Yeah, the little party pizzas that you get, the little small ones with the ham, with the cheese and tomato on. It reminds me. It tastes a lot like them. I can't even get my words out today. It tastes like them. Even Keith says they're not very nice. So at least it weren't just me that was saying it. Right, I'm going now.